Oh my, Natasha Denona Retro Glam. When I first saw this, I was like, spring? Summer? But I was like, you know what? This could very well be Winter Wonderland. I'm gonna try and create a wintry look that involves, of course, the greens and the pinks. But before all that, we are gonna go see some swatches. Okay, right off the bat, I want to use Holly. This is how Holly looks like. You could definitely tell the pink. This is so cute. Okay, I have to admit and be honest with you guys, I don't typically look well in pastel colors. It just always kind of looks weird on me, so I'm hoping for the best that this does not make me look weird. This is Holly. Oh, it's so cute. It's like candy. I'm gonna grab Belle for the outer half of my crease. Wow, this is really cute, you guys. So far, I'm really liking the pinks in here. I'm gonna grab Flare because this is in the pink family and I really wanna use this just to how it complements the pinks. I'm gonna be using my favorite Shikuhodo GSN09 for lid shimmer shades. Okay, this shade of pink shimmer is something else. I love Natasha Denona shimmers because they're so soft and it never falls out. It's amazing. I put it on the outer corner because I wanted to try out Flutter. Oh my gosh. This... Okay, I'm gonna try it on my hand now. It looks very bright with the brush, but with the finger, it always looks ba-boom. This shade sprayed looks very much like a snowflake. Look at this, you guys. Wow. Okay. I cannot look at fringe and not use it. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this for the lower lash line. I think I'm actually gonna apply this for the inner corner. I've never done this before, so this is a new thing for me. Ooh, this shade is amazing. It is definitely a mint shade. This is the Flat Definer by Sonia G, of course, and it is the perfect ever brush for the inner corner. It acts like a finger. Okay, if this is not Christmas, I don't know what is. All right, I'm gonna go back to Belle and then finish this part out so that it looks a bit more cohesive. What if I darken it up with Faye? Would that look weird, like creating like a thingamabob? I actually don't know what that did, but it looks cute. So we're gonna keep going. I'm going back to Flutter and I'm lightly highlighting this part right here, not too much. we are finished. We are done, and this is the result. I really like this palette. I actually didn't have high hopes of it, mostly because I didn't think that I would look good in any of these colors. The formula in this palette is spectacular, just like her other palette. I have 3, so I know her formulas are just so good, and this one did not disappoint. With that said, I definitely recommend this. Even if you guys think that you don't think you will use the shades, this is so beautiful for winter, and it's beautiful for spring and summer. You know, it's literally, it can be any season. I don't know about fall. I just love this. It's your turn. Let's talk. Have you tried this palette? What do you think of it? Do you love the colors? The other one, the first retro, it did not look good on my skin tone. Go, returned so fast. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you're looking for more videos to watch on my channel, check out this video right here. This is the new Merit gift set Flush Balm blushes. This is such a cute gift set and it is perfect for Christmas presents. I will see you there, and don't forget, have a beautiful and wonderful day.